Hello friends, welcome to my channel What's and How. In this tutorial today I'll be showing you how you can run your Windows 10 into safe mode. So let's get started. First of all, press the shift key like this and click on power button and then click on restart your PC. Don't release the shift key, press and hold shift key and then click restart to get into safe mode. After clicking on restart, it will go in the advanced reset option. Here it's showing please wait. So patiently please wait till it's completed its process. Here you may see in this screen, click on Troubleshoot. After clicking on Troubleshoot, you will get an option, Advanced option. Click on Advanced option and then click on Startup Settings. When you will click on Startup Settings, you will get these options. Restart to change the Windows options such as, then click on Restart to get these options on your Windows screen. Here I am clicking on Restart button. After restart your PC, you will get a window like this. If you can see here, first option you may see here, enable debugging option. Second is enable boot option. Third is enable low resolution video, and fourth one is enable the safe mode. So press here on your keyboard, press the 4 key to get into the safe mode, Windows 10 into safe mode. So you may see here it's processing to get into the safe mode. Now you may see here my window is running into safe mode. Just wait, it's already in booting option, booting process. Yes, you may see here it's showing the safe mode. So hope you'll get the help from this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also please like this video. Thanks for watching my video.